Welcome to our lesson today, still under simple equations, and we have some exercise to solve here. So whenever you are faced with something of this form, do not panic. All right, so what we are going to do here first is to open this up and open this up by multiplying everything here by this number and multiply everything here by this number. All right, so let's go. Open it up, we multiply. Use this to multiply my 5y. We are going to get 15y. When we multiply this, we are going to get minus 6. Now here we are using minus 2 to multiply everything here. When we multiply minus 2 by 2y, we are going to get minus 4y. When we multiply minus 2 by minus 6, we are going to get positive 12. Reason is because minus times minus is plus, all right, equals to 28. Now here we have 15y and minus 4y. We are going to bring them together. 15y minus 4y minus 6 plus 12 equals to 28. When we minus this, we are going to get 11y minus 6, add it 12, we are going to get plus 6 equals to 28. All right, so now we are going to move this 6 over to this side. All right, so we're going to have 11y equals to 28 minus 6. 11y equals to 22. So for us to get the value of y, we are dividing both sides by 11 over 11 over 11. 11 cancel here 1, 11 here 1, 11 here 2. So our y is equals to 2. Now moving over to the next example. Same thing, we are going to open up this by multiplying everything here using this number in front. So we're going to get, when we multiply this, we get 12a. When we multiply this, you get plus 6 equals to 18. We're going to have 2a equals to 18. This 6 will come and meet 18 here, minus 6. We have 2a equals to, when we minus 6 from 18, we are going to get 12. So we divide both sides by 12. 12 cancel 1. So our a is equals to 1. All right, now I want you to solve this as your exercise and comment your answer. I'm going to check if you get your answer right or wrong. And again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so that you are going to get all the videos that I'll be uploading.